G'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here today to say a little cheerio. Welcome back. I've been gone for about maybe 3 or 4 months. Just sort of been filming videos here and there, but we've been just stockpiling, waiting for a day like today. I sort of had to drag myself out here to film a video because I've been meaning to make a new video to say that we've got new videos coming back on the channel. Needed a bit of time away, had a bit of a break. You get burnt out after a while, and this isn't my job, so this is just a hobby. And yeah, sometimes you just need to take a step back for a little bit. I've been doing stuff here and there, so we will be having videos coming up. We've got some more product reviews for 2019 as well, and of course hope you all had a amazing new year. So where I am right now, and hopefully it's not too windy, is that I'm actually on we're at my wife's aunt and uncle's property in sunny Queensland, and I thought I'd go over a little review today of our little Suzuki Swift. So that's 2018 Suzuki Swift. It's just a little base model. It's a little zip box. Thought I'd go around it today just as a bit of fun. And also there's a few other really great cars here because Laura's uncle is a mechanic. So there are some little gems hidden around this property. So join me today here on Panda Garage. We're going to have a look around, check out little Suzuki here, our pearl white Suzuki Swift. And then I'm going to show you some other cool cars. So stay tuned for that. It's good to be back, guys. So let's get stuck right into it. So this is our little Suzuki Swift. We call it Suki. And it's just a little base model Suzuki Swift. Nothing too flash. We just wanted something to get around while we're visiting family. And it's been a hell of a lot of fun. It's a little 5-seater, just a little auto. Don't know what engine's in it, but we can have a look. The actual interior of these cars is not bad at all. Like, it's got this sort of touch screen thing that kind of looks like if anyone's got a Ford Sync 3 multimedia system, a split screen, 4 different parts to it. My favourite part is that steering wheel. It's got a flat bottom steering wheel. It's great. But yeah, no, it's actually a really well laid out car. I'd sort of forgotten about Suzuki as a brand, to be honest. And this guy's been a hell of a lot of fun. So you've got a USB plug, your aux cord, got a cigarette lighter plug there, your 2 cup holders, and one for the rear seat. So this is with our, like, sort of Laura and I. We're not like super tall people, but plenty of space, it seems. Fit 4 people comfortably. But my only gripe with this car is, as you can see, it goes neutral drive L. Whenever you change back, you're so used to just pulling it all the way back to drive, and it usually stops right there. This one goes all the way back to, like, low every time. It doesn't seem to care. But what we'll do is, before I show you the other side, we'll have a quick little look at the engine, because I'm sort of curious myself. It's quite zippy. Let's have a look. So that's your engine there. It's got no branding on it. That exhaust looks bunk as, but it's brand new. It's a good little engine though, like, it goes. It's just pretty straightforward. As you can see, there's not much in terms of, like, additions to the interior, which is funny. So that's down. Let's have a look. I'll go through. I'll start the car up. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys in for a bit of a start there. So the dials are pretty cool in this car. But this is the I'll turn off the fans. I'll also turn that off. Even though I've got no monetization, it doesn't help. But as you can see, yeah, it's like the sync system. So you've got your radio, like, multimedia up here, call features, navigation, and smartphone. So this car actually has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is really cool. We were using this on the way up to see Laura's relatives, about an hour drive, and it worked really well. Once we sort of worked out how exactly it worked, both Laura and I don't have cars with it, got sort of older cars, but yeah, it works really well. Steering wheel's really well laid out as well. I was really impressed by this car. I just thought, oh yeah, it'd just be a basic little buzz box, but yeah, it's been bloody awesome. So yeah, I really so yeah, this has been our little car for like the last 3-4 days. It's been a hell of a lot of fun, but what I thought I'd do today is take you on a little bit of a tour. Don't need to split it up into multiple videos. I thought, you know what, we'll just give you a little tour of what's on the property, because there's one particular car just sitting over there that has a great story behind it, and it's quite a good little family car. It was Laura's uncle's car, and yeah, he gave it to Laura's other uncle, and he's fixing it now, and it's kept it like pretty decent nick, and it's quite a unusual car to see in Australia. So once we get to that, it'll be really good. So what I'm doing at the moment, so I'm trying to get back. There's an old ute back here, but we'll see how we go, because there have been a lot of snakes around recently, and I'm going to try and keep myself out of trouble, because I've already had one incident with a animal on our trip. First time we went down to the beach, Laura and I got some photos, and I got stung by a blue bottle jellyfish on my foot. So it felt like someone was cutting off my toe, for anyone wanting to know what that feeling feels like. Not fun, but this is the car right there. So I'm pretty sure this is a 50s not custom line, a mainline ute. Now, little known fact is that these actually were the predecessor to the Ford Falcon in Australia. So as you can see, there's another one down there. It might be a different style ute, that one just there. I'm pretty sure this is a mainline ute. So you had two different versions of these cars. So anything that was a ute was a mainline, and the sedan was a custom line. Now these were built in Melbourne, and around Australia as well. I should say they were built in Geelong, and yeah, they pretty much were built here. So they'd be built, all the parts would be built in America and then sent over here, and they'd assemble them in Australia, as the Falcon was the first like produced car in Australia. But yeah, this was essentially going to be what the Ford Falcon became for Australia. So they were testing it out kind of for a few years, and yeah, this is really cool. Don't really want to go into the deep grass, because I don't know what's actually out here. There's been a few like tiger snakes and that kind of thing, so I'm just sort of staying where it is not too bad, and I can actually see where I am. This one's got a little bit of rust in it, but I do love these older style mainline custom line utes. You would have seen them as some of them have a big kind of looks like a bullet nose on them, and then they have like the twin, like they look like turbines, sort of that era. See if I can get a bit closer, see a little bit of the interior. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love the metal dashboards, and this actually had a V8, and you can see the V8 badge on the other side. But yeah, one of these, I always thought that like one of these would be a lot of fun to do up, but yeah, I'll try and get to the other side. If I get bitten on camera, you guys better share this video, because I don't really want to get bitten by a snake. The other trick for those playing outside Australia, if you sort of tap the ground, the snakes will feel the vibrations and go the opposite way generally. And that's the front. So usually there's a grill in there. There's a few engines back here too. So the one behind it there looks like that one there is a flathead V8 by the looks of it. So it probably was in this car. And that one looks like it could be a Cleveland or a Windsor block. That's quite cool. There's that other ute over there. I'm not too sure what that ute is. Don't know if it's another Falcon, or another Ford, I should say. Could be a Chevy. I'm not too sure. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. So yeah, that's the little collection out the back here. But what we're going to see though is a car that's was restored years and years ago. It was in Laura's aunt's shed for a number of years in a fair few bits, but it was all put back together. Just sitting drive. It hasn't moved for a little bit, but yeah, it's a bit of a family heirloom. This car, it's really cool. But I don't think I might have seen only one other in Australia, maybe, and I don't know if I saw it in person, but it's been about 8 years since I've seen this car, and yeah, we'll have a bit of a look now because it's quite a car, quite a large car. So this is a Pontiac. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name, but as you can see, like, paint's starting to water's got under it. Made it rust a little bit, but it is a lengthy car. It's quite a large car. Love the older style buttons. Yeah, a few cars like that, but I don't know if it's open. Oh, it is. There we go. Look at this interior. It's got a Hurst shift. Oh, B&M shifter. That's pretty cool. I haven't actually seen it. Oh, it's got that old school smell as well. Really cool. Right hand drive as well. Look at that dashboard. How insane is that? So nice. I love these bucket seats. See, with a car like this, I'd love to have like an auto bit on the tree, just to make it like usable for 6 people. It's got a little bit of stuff in the back, but it's a very nice car. Like, interior feels really nice still. There's no cracks in the dashboard. Like, it's in really good condition. But look at that wraparound window too. Like, this is such a nice car. Oops. There's another detail here. Body by Fisher. Pretty sure they used to build, convert cars over to right-hand drive for Australia. Down in Melbourne, I'm pretty sure Fisher plants used to be. But that's the interior. Ooh, big solid doors. But look how long this boot is. A Suzuki Swift could nearly fit in the boot of this car. It's got those classic taillights, like thruster taillights. Big Pontiac badges on the back. Like, this is such a nice car. It's like a really impressive car too. But I've got to like nearly stand right back. Make sure there's no snakes coming. Just get the pips out of me just then. There's a bloody bug. Yeah, very cool car. Very big car too. This would be a real great car to like just go cruising in. But it's really nice. So yeah, that's the piece de la resistance, you could say. Don't know if that's correct, but you know, you get it. Okay, so that's a little update. Really, but not really at the same time. Yeah, just the break was good for me. I do love making videos, garage videos, and that channel's been doing pretty well without me posting, but I will be getting into it more. I think at this point it might be just once a week. I don't want to burn myself out again. I'd like to make videos, so if there is a week where a video doesn't go out or a day might change, I'll try and make it the same day. I'm not going to commit to a time at the moment because I just don't want to put that kind of pressure on. But thank you all so much for supporting the channel while I've been away, and while we've been making the garage videos for all these years. Hopefully enjoy this video. This is an awesome car. It'd be great if it was like running, if we could go for a drive or something, just to see how it is, like cruise. It would be awesome, but maybe in the future we might get a video like that. So thank you all so much for watching. Yeah, check out Facebook, Instagram, the Panda Garage, of course. Keep up with all the things that are going on. You can ask your questions there as well. You can leave your comments below if you've got any questions at all, and I'll try to help you out. Sorry, I've been a little bit slow with replying, but sometimes I don't check it for a number of days, so I'm trying to stay off my phone as best as possible, but you know, sometimes that just doesn't work. So thank you all so much for watching. Till next time, guys. My name's Matt. This is Panda Garage. Great to be back. You'll see some new new videos and some reviews coming up. And if there's anything you'd like to see reviewed, just let me know in the comments below, and you can message me directly, and we'll try to get that organised. And you can find out exactly what the product's like before you buy it. So until next time, of course, Panda Garage, this is Matt from sunny Queensland. I'll see you all next time.